memory of the gloaming, I full beam my lights as the borderlands settle to a long winter's night. There's a glitter of frost and a crunch to my wheels as I turn on the back road for home. The old dog that welcomes me whines by the door. There's a stack of brown envelopes strewn on the floor, and the stone cottage echoes to the click of my heels, and the message light blinks on the phone. The last mile I traveled to this journey's end was crowded with the faces and the voices of friends. There were bronc and bull riders and rodeo shoots, and I've still got Ontario dust on my boots. My suitcase by the washing machine with the traces of places to where I have been. And it's too late for coffee, but I pour out the grounds and sit down by a cold empty fire. I can hear in the distance the surf of the road, with the swish of the tires and the rumbling load, as the sweet silvery waters of the Gala run down, the half-empty moon's climbing high. I'm 6 hours ahead of Canadian time, but my pockets still jingle with dollars and dimes. I'm back in my homeland, disturbing my roots, but I've still got Ontario dust on my boots. Not in the journey or where you arrive, it's the place that you're leaving, and if you can survive all the good times and bad times you'll find in despair when you're lonesome and lost in a song. Away to the north of the Lake Erie shore, there's a box of crisp apples by an old farmhouse door. Oat smoke and coffee are sweet on the air, and the radio's rambling along. The creak of old leather's been whispering to me what I'd like to wear and where I'd like to be. I'd rather have Wranglers than Armani suits, and a layer of Ontario dust on my boots. Now there is no forever or never again. There's a here and a there, and a now and a then, and we all take our turn of the moon and the sun and the stars as the world rolls around. On a bright winter's morning I walk in the field, a horse at my shoulder and a dog at my heel, and I pull down my cap brim to hide from the sun that is melting the frost on the ground. I can still feel the stirrups and the slack in the rein as the cutting horse rolls back and tosses her mane. But the clear-bordered dew on the green grassy shoots has washed the Ontario dust from my boots.